lot for y'all support. I appreciate everyone supporting my last couple. As you can tell by the title, maybe the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing unboxing. So this is going to be a little different than my first impressions, I guess you can say, reactions type of video. I like to be fun and do something different. So if y'all like these style of videos, comment down below. Like, we're going to start with the accessories first because I only have a few. I just have this necklace that I got, and it's just this angel number necklace, and it is the angel number 444. And it's my quest to get you some affordable accessories. Again, I don't know the price is about. The next couple things I got are just press-ons from Shein. So I got this one set of short press-ons, and I like cherry charms, and I've been really into cherries lately, so I thought this would be cute. And I actually have an outfit that I wanted to do like cherry nails with, so we'll see if I wear these or get some use. So y'all will probably see some of these in my video. The next that I got is just like this pink, like, I'm gonna say a Barbie set. Like, it's got hearts, it's got glitter, it's got a bead. So it just looks like that. I think it's just really cute. And it is like another short. The first one I got is actually like a long set, extra long set, and it's just like this round airbrush heart set, and I just think it's super like hard. Isn't that old school like nail set vibe? And I just love it. I thought it's really my vibe. I think it's adorable. I love the hearts. I love that it has a little bling bling. I love it. And yeah, I just think that's super cute. So the first thing I grabbed is, I don't know, pink, red. I think I got both. I think I know what this is. So I got this dress. This is from the Shein Sexy, Curvy Sexy Confident collection. And it is just this pink dress with bows on the front. I feel like y'all know bows are super on trend right now. So I just got this dress. I don't know how to fit, but this. And it's a pretty standard material. I don't know if it says the material. It looks like this. This probably be really cute for like a girl's night out. Maybe I'll probably say a girl's night out date fits. I really do like the bows. I like the coloring. I like this like square kind of cut. It does have some like ribbing here, and yeah, I haven't tried none of these items on. It's my first time taking it's like falling out. But again, maybe it'll be a different one. But yeah, that's how this looks. Next thing is something denim, and it is just this. Oh, so it's this mini skirt. It's actually really cute. It's, I don't know, I was trying to see if it's like a petite. Okay, so this is from the petite collection. This is the on the screen. It looks like this. I hope this fits. I might need a small in this, but I'm hoping this will fit. It is just this dark washed down mini skirt. I say like a plain mini skirt, like a basic essential mini skirt with silver detailing. The button just says Shein jean. It's a pretty solid jean collection. And I really do like this. I hope it fits. I hope it'll be like really cute when I'm wearing it. But I think this is like the perfect, like, I'm not gonna say everyday mini skirt because like who's really wearing a mini skirt every day? Like, yo, essential, like I just need a plain, like good denim mini skirt be it. The material's actually sturdy, like I said, it's not too oh, this would be really cute with that. So the next item I got is actually a pink crop top. And this would be really cute with the mini skirt. I like the mini skirt crop top. It's like peanut butter jelly. Can't go wrong with it. So the next top I got is just this, and it's just like this. I'll say it's slinky material. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's not like cotton. It says, "I'm literally just a girl. I'm literally just a girl. Like, chill, relax." I think this is so cute. I think this would be so cute paired with the mini skirt. So yeah. Like I said, I like Shein's crop tops. I feel like this material, I don't know if I have one like this, but I'm a fan of Shein's crop tops. I feel like they basics. I like sometimes basics. I always love to have one. And literally, it's just the cutest thing. I'm literally just a girl, okay? So the next thing I got is just this dress. I really just like the light brown color. It's perfect for the summertime. So it's just this like, I would call this like style paint. So it's like paint style like dress. This looks a little bit bigger than I was expecting. couple basic dresses definitely want to check out this. And like I said, these little sneaky dresses are perfect on a hot day. You go even like, I don't know what this is, but I can't really tell. Okay, so the next one was just this like A-line flare skirt, neutral copper tone, color, whatever you want to call it, corset like top. And I just think this would be so cute for like dinner, like a satiny material. Like, it's just so cute. That's what I bought this for. Like, you're going to dinner, you're going out, like, tell me this is just cute. So we'll stick next. I got something pink. Alright. So how y'all liking this video so far? The next item I got is this like pink and red fuzzy zebra print top. Y'all already know I love zebra print. And I like sweaters, so I think this is really cute. And I'm red, pink, like it's probably for like right around Valentine's Day going in the spring. And I think it's just super cute. It's not really thick, like it's thick, but it's not super thick. Like, I'm excited to try it on. I hope it fits. It's really cute. Like, really, really cute. I really do like this. So far, I really love everything I got. Again, I hope y'all love everything I got. Comment down below which is your favorite piece. And like I said, this is going to be an unboxing, so there would I be trying to clip in this haul. Okay, so the next item I got is just this crop top, and it's just this like super, I'll call it a micro. And this is also for the petite section. I got this in a size extra small. Yeah. And this is like a micro, I call it a micro crop top, and I just got this, I think this is really some just wear like, just Jadouramour shorts or like anything like that, just super cute. And it just has these like micro little straps here, it just looks like this. And it's just like micro mini skirt. It's not much to do. This is just this like leather bag, and it just looks like this. The strap is on the inside, and the strap does come with like a pocket. Which is actually why I got this bag. I had another Shein bag that had this. I'm not gonna put it together right now because I'll be rushing. It has the pocket, the strap on the inside. It's just a plain black strap, and then it has the pocket that goes with it. And actually, you get this to replace another bag that I got from Shein before. It had a pocket. That one was not like leather, it was on nylon. But I really do like that this is like a look. They are functional, but you can't like put anything in them. They're just show on the floor. I think it's still super cute. And then it does like have this like snap that if you know wanted to put down, one for decor, also for extra security, like you can put it down to secure the bag a little more like that. It doesn't have the strap on top. I didn't put it on. It's just unboxing. I think this is another skirt. Yes. So this one's got like see-through on top. Oh, this is from Boutique Collection. This is also from Boutique Collection. It's really nice, really thick, pretty. I don't want to say heavy, but it's got a little bit of weight to it. Once I have a Shein haul, which I will have linked in the card somewhere. I got a zebra print dress, which I like. I'm not the big fan of the material and the way the pattern shows up. I think I was hoping it would be more like this material. I'm not the big fan of the neckline. It's like, to me, it's a square neck. Again, I think this is nice for summer. It's a nice soft cotton dress, so it'll give you a nice flow in the summer. I think it has a nice silhouette to it. But again, I'm not the biggest fan of the neckline, so I don't know if I will like it. But we'll try it on too. And this is just kind of how it's fresh out of the package. I don't have any complaints. Like I said, y'all know I love zebra, so I'm excited to add the last item I got from Shein. What they say, save the best for last. And I think we did just that. It's another mini skirt. I don't know if this is from the Boutique Collection or not. This is not, so this is just from like the regular Shein collection, and this is in size extra small. Yeah, this way. And it's just this denim mini skirt with stars all over it. So it has this zipper. The zipper is in the front like that. Truthfully, I'm probably, or there's a zipper. I don't know if that's the front or the back. The zipper just kind of seems like hold down. Whenever I hold it and they kind of put switch the end, I know it's kind of coming down. I don't know if that'll be a problem with that try on, but yeah. It looks like this. I like the distressed top. Like this part of it, I think it's super, super cute. I like the distressed bottom. I like the distressing around the stars. Like I said, my only thoughts are it's not as big as the other denim skirt, but it's super cute nonetheless. So yeah, that is the last I have to show y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the Shein unboxing hauls. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next one. And stay tuned.